Now children, the next one is double decomposition. Children, in the last video we discussed about displacement reaction. Now the next one is double decomposition. It is also called double displacement reaction or precipitation reaction. What do you mean by double decomposition or double displacement reaction? Children, in displacement reaction, as we discuss, more active metal displace less active metal. Now, what happened in a double displacement, double decomposition reaction? The chemical change in which the solutions react with each other. So it's mandatory both of them are in a solution form to form new compound by exchange of their ions, by exchange of their metals, non-metals or elements. Now children, what happened in double displacement? Both the metals, both the elements, both the ions, non-metal exchange their places. Now what happened? After this double displacement reactions, we are having two products. First one product which is soluble in water, or it's a soluble salt. But the another one is insoluble substance which is called precipitation. Now the reactions are of two types, precipitation and neutralization reaction. As I told you, two compounds are there form aqueous state of reactant. What do you mean by aqueous? Dissolve in water. Aqua means water. Any solution in which water is used as a solvent is called aqueous solution. And another one is insoluble salt as a one of the product which is called precipitation reaction. Here one example is given, barium chloride plus sodium sulfate. Children, here clearly you can see that barium displaces sodium. Barium displaces sodium and it forms barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a salt solution which is dissolved in water. But we are having wide precipitation of barium sulfate. Another example is there, copper sulfate plus hydrogen sulfide. You get black precipitation of copper sulfide and sulfuric acid. Precipitation is a formation of insoluble product when two solutions are mixed, when a gas is bubbled into the solution. Now how to conduct this double decomposition reaction? Children, here we are having some examples are there. Silver nitrate, AgNO3 plus hydrochloric acid. Children, silver and hydrogen exchange their places. You get silver chloride and nitric acid. AgNO3 plus NaCl. Both the metal displace each other. You are getting AgCl. You can see downward arrows are there. You are having precipitation of silver chloride. Fill 1/3 of test tube with a solution of dilute sulfuric acid and add barium chloride. Children, here again you are getting a wide precipitation of barium sulfate. Double decomposition reaction may also occur with evolution of gas. FeS plus H2SO4. Fe and H2, yes, they displace their places. You are having FeSO4 and evolution of gas. Zinc sulfide plus hydrochloric acid. Zinc and hydrogen displace their places. You are getting zinc chloride and gas of H2S. Now the next one is children, neutralization reaction. First one part of decomposition reaction is a precipitation reaction where insoluble substance are formed. Now the second one is neutralization reaction. Neutralization. Children, as the name suggests, in this reaction the formation of neutral substance are there. How they form neutral substance? Acid plus base. Children, when acid and base react with each other by removal of water molecule, they gives salt plus water. The reaction in which acid and base that form a salt and water, it refer as neutralization reaction because both salt and water neutral in nature. The reaction takes place by releasing of H plus ion from acid and release of OH minus ion from base. Children, acid dissociate into H plus ion and base dissociate into OH minus ion. Altogether, they form water molecule. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid, they form sodium chloride plus water. Now, in neutralization reaction, the soluble base alkali react with acid or insoluble base react with an acid. Children, a simple neutralization reaction is between acid and base. You are getting salt plus water. Very simple, you have to just remove OH from base and H from acid. By combination, water plus salt is formed. Here we are having some examples of neutralization reactions are there. Soluble base with acid and insoluble base with acid. As a chemical process, neutralization has many uses. Yes, children, we are having very useful reactions of neutralization reactions are there. Best one is person suffering from acidity. Children, when a person is suffering from acidity, there is a release of acid in their stomach, which form a acidic medium in stomach. When you are getting hot and spicy food, when you are having a more release of hydrochloric acid, you are having a suffering from acidity. So what are the remedies are there? If you are taking base, it will neutralize the acid present in your stomach and you can get relief from that. Second one, when someone is having a bee sting or ant sting. Children, if you don't know, then I want to tell you one thing. When we are having a bee sting and ant sting, they release some acid in our body. Children, due to which we are having itching and irritations are there. They are entering a formic acid into our skin. The pH of our skin is neutral. So now what happened? We have to get relief by rubbing slake lime or baking soda. Slake lime is calcium hydroxide. Baking soda, even you can use calamine lotion also, which contain a calcium base. If our stomach glands secrete excess HCl, we experience pain, and by taking milk of magnesium hydroxide and solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate, both are basic in nature, which neutralize the acid present in our stomach and we are getting relief of acidity. Acid that is accidentally split onto our cloth or a body can be neutralized with ammonia solutions. So children, whenever we are having excess of acids are there, if we are going with base, they neutralize the effect of acid. If the soil is somewhat acidic by acid rain due to evolution of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide gases, we are having a little bit lower pH of our rain, which is called acid rain. Now children, plants can grow very nicely or they are having a suitable pH is neutral. By acid rain, the pH of the soil will be acidic. So the farmers are adding slake lime, calcium oxide, CaO, to neutralize excess acid. So children, this is about displacement and double decomposition, double displacement, precipitations or neutralization reaction. Children, today's your homework is you have to do this exercise 2B. Okay, children, I have already sent the PDF in your WhatsApp group. Still, I will send a click of this exercise 2B, which you have to do in your chemistry notebook. Before next lecture, you have to submit this homework to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, children, bye. Have a nice day.